Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, first of all, to Kamran and Imran for having me here. I've known Kamran now for more than a few decades, so we have a rich history together. The career spans from starts from Karachi, so I was born and raised there. Did my schooling there from St. Paul's and St. Pat's, and then I went to IB. I did my MBA there, and then from there I went to Caltex, worked there for a year, then 4 years at Philips, then 5 years at Unilever, then 4 years with Tetley. Then I did a consulting stint, 180 degrees for about 2 years. Then I went to Abu Dhabi to work for a B2B company for about 5 years, Abu Dhabi National Industrial Projects. And then I moved to Lahore as the CEO of Ream Rice Mill. So I've done consumer durables, FMCG, I've done commodities and consulting. And besides that, I teach part time. So that's in a nutshell the 25 years. I think मेरे case में it was predominantly I figured out very early what I couldn't do. So I couldn't balance a balance sheet, and I never understood why it had to be balanced. So I knew I didn't have a left brain. It's only much later in life that I discovered I didn't have a right brain also. But by that time, I sort of went into marketing because marketing भी IBA में I never read a book on marketing, but I scored well. So I realized कि यार ये शायद कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्योंकि ग्रे एरिया है इसमें. There is no right or wrong. There are perspectives, and I think my first book that I read was Positioning by Al Rise and Jack Trout much later after I had graduated. So I think it just sort of happened because I couldn't do numbers, so had to do something else. Sure. I think it's just curiosity and observation. I think if you have these two elements and a bit of right brain, obviously, you have to be a little creative to be able to assimilate the things that you see, make sense of them. So in these days, we talk about obviously insights, and we talk about data, and we talk about actionable insights, and we talk about AI and all that. But back then, it was just power of observation. So if you could observe something and then see beneath it, and then figure out how to position something and make needs and benefits marry. I mean, that's predominantly how you became a good marketer. I think to start with my dad, because I saw this very unassuming, very humble man who was very accomplished, but you couldn't tell that if you saw him. So he was very simple in life. So I think that was my first sort of role model. Professionally, I've had some good bosses that I learned from. More than often, I had terrible bosses with whom I also learned from because you learn how not to manage people. But professionally, I think Shoaib Mansoor, the filmmaker, he's been my inspiration, my guru, my role model in terms of understanding how to live life. I mean, it's not just about प्रोफेशनली कैसे कंडक्ट करना है, जिंदगी में क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं, किन चीज़ों में होल्ड है, और वो अपने ज़ाहिर फील्ड के गुरु हैं. तो आई थिंक उनके साथ जो एसोसिएशन रही है, इट्स बिन वेरी फ्रूटफुल टू मी. I like the misstep that you took about kids entertainment. It's about kids, Musketeers Kids Company, and as Kamran correctly sent me, the forewarning that this website doesn't tell us much. So it is everything is entertainment now. Even products have to be entertaining. Even launches have to be entertaining. Otherwise, nobody has the time of the day. So it is certainly in the sphere of kids. I think the journey is an evolution. If you see my career, it's not been linear. It's not been one company, one function. I've been jumping, hopping industries, sectors, countries, regions, because I'm probably have a restless soul, and I need to keep learning and also keep discovering whether the same principles that maybe work for tea can they be applied to rice, and those same principles could they apply to tissue paper and syringes. So I think that's what my career has been. And kids, I've always enjoyed kids. I have three of my own. So I think it was logical that I sort of married food, that, I have a stomach to show for it too. So I love food and I love kids. So, you marry the two, and then Kids Musketeers was born. I'm a bit more grounded than that. So I look at the trends, I look at where the world is moving, but I don't say, oh, this or nothing, because it's not that bricks and mortars have completely died. They're still there.
Yeah.
They have to
Absolutely.
evolve. So, the way business is done because of new platforms coming in have to evolve. Some principles remain the same, some you have to adapt to new changes. So I'm not the gloom and doom side of person who feels कि भाई अब तो सब खत्म हो गया है, अब डिजिटल कल एआई से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. आई थिंक इवॉल्व होगा. COVID की वजह से digital got a lot of boost. So a lot of ground that digital had to cover maybe in 10 years, it covered in 2 years, because out of necessity, the world had to move online and had to rediscover how to live life offline. And I think that those learnings will affect the way we traditionally market, and we are seeing that happening. But there are so many opportunities that have opened up because of digital. I mean, you are somewhere, Kamran is somewhere else, I'm thousands of miles away, and we're all connected right now. So this connectivity will not go anywhere, will only increase. Yes, it may take a different form. जब ये वैक्सीन आई, लोगों ने कहा चिप लग जाएगी और हमारा डेटा हो जाएगा. I mean,
Yeah. All the myths associated. Yeah.
maybe it'll happen. Who knows? कि चिप लग जाएगी और पता लग जाएगा. लेकिन जो भी evolution होगा, I think humans have an underlying resilience that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with, that we adapt. We learn how to survive. We learn how to evolve with
Right.
changing times. And we will continue doing that, whatever the form may be. So to answer your question, no, digital is not going anywhere. It will only grow. Maybe it will evolve into something new.
Yeah. It'll evolve. Yeah. Yeah.
इसका एक आसान और थोड़ा मजाकिया जवाब ये है कि जब नए नए ये
Mm.
गवर्नमेंट आई थी, हमने कहा नया पाकिस्तान, तो मैं मजाक से कहता था कि क्या ये 200 मिलियन लोगों को कहीं और छोड़ के हम किसी और नॉर्वे वगैरह से लोग लेके आ रहे हैं, नया पाकिस्तान तभी बनेगा. इन 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 20 करोड़ के साथ तो मुश्किल है. तो मेरा ख्याल है उसका जवाब वही है कि हम कब चेंज होंगे. मैं इस मुल्क में आया हूँ, यहाँ जो पाकिस्तानी हु मेड इट बिग, they don't interact with other Pakistanis because they think they're beneath them. They've sort of risen above. All the companies that I worked for, जब मैं गया वहाँ कोई पाकिस्तानी नहीं थे. I made sure that there were more Pakistanis hired. So I think firstly we need to stop putting ourselves down and stop trashing the country when we're outside. Because हम सबसे बड़े सुसाइड बॉम्बर्स हैं अपने मुल्क के. हम सबसे ज्यादा बुराई पाकिस्तान की पाकिस्तानी ही करते हैं. ये तो कॉमन नॉलेज है. और आई थिंक कोई भी ब्रांड, कामरान भी ब्रांडिंग के आदमी हैं, आपको भी इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि कोई भी ब्रांड सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकता अगर उसके अपने ही सिटीजन्स उसको हर वक्त बुरा भला कहते रहें या उसके ऊपर मजाक करें. कि अगर कोई बुरी बात करे तो हम कहते हैं, ओए करी की ना तूने पाकिस्तानी वाली हरकत. तो इस तरह तो कोई ब्रांड ग्रो नहीं कर
जी
सकता, पनप नहीं सकता. हरकतें हमारी उल्टी हैं, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, and we need to improve those, but we also need to market ourselves better. And I think the way I have tried to do in my career has been first patronizing Pakistanis, so getting more Pakistanis in, which is what all nationalities do. So we're not unique if we do that. In fact, we're unique कि हम नहीं करते. एक पाकिस्तानी कहीं आ जाए बाहर तो कहता है यार मैं ही हूँ अच्छा, बाकी सब बेकार हैं. तो हम उल्टा करते हैं. बाकी नेशनलिटीज अपनी नेशनलिटीज को प्रमोट करती हैं. दूसरा, live the example. So I mean, you be the kind of Pakistani that you want to be known for, and that I think is the
Right.
onus on all 200 million of us. If we all start living the example that we want Pakistan to be, then फिर ही चेंज होगा. वरना गवर्नमेंट आ जाए चली जाए, उससे मुझे नहीं लगता कोई बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट होगा. मेरा passion, if I wasn't doing work full time, then I'd be teaching full time. So my passion is clearly
Right.
passing on what I've learned. And in this day and age, you actually learn more from students than they learn from you because they're digital natives and you're immigrants. So मेरा तो पैशन ये है कि मेरा बड़ा दिल करता है कि मैं लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करूं. अभी भी आई टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एट IBA. यहाँ भी आई एम ट्राइंग, बट जाहिर है द कलर माई स्किन, द एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैव हैड, गोरे थोड़ा सा it'll take time for them to warm up, but it'll happen inshallah. So मेरा तो passion ये है कि I could teach, and then for that you have to read, you have to keep abreast, so obviously the rest follows. देखें, आज के दौर में I keep telling this to my students also, nobody can teach you anything, nobody can give you any words of wisdom. Professor Google मौजूद है, हर सवाल का जवाब मौजूद है. तो मैं या कामरान या आप इमरान भाई क्या बताएंगे किसी को. यू कैन कोई भी
Yeah.
सब्जेक्ट उठा ले, You can learn the A, B, C, D, F, G, जो भी आपने सीखनी है आप सीख सकते हैं. The only thing is the fire in the belly, the desire to become something, grow. हमारे unfortunately the role models that we see are the new riches. So everybody wants to be rich. हम पंजाबी में कहते हैं पै कमाने, बस पै कमाने. किस तरह कमाने, वैल्यू से ये नहीं. आपका पूरा एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी वॉप्ड हो गया है, सारा कमर्शलाइज हो गया है, तो वो कदरें जो हैं. I was talking to an ex-student of mine here, उसके बच्चे हैं जा रहे हैं. So I asked him, I said, "के what is the difference between the education system that you saw back in Pakistan and here?" तो उसका बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग जवाब था. उसने कहा जी यहाँ मेरे बच्चे रट्टे नहीं लगा रहे, उनको वैल्यूज सिखाई जा रही है, उनको कम्युनिटी में रहना सिखाया जा रहा है, उनको बताया जा रहा है कि जिंदगी कैसे गुजारी जाती है. अब ये बुनियादी फर्क है. सो आई थिंक आई टेल दिस टू एनी यंगस्टर कि यार तर्ज जिंदगी गुजारना, मेकिंग अ लिविंग एंड मेकिंग अ लाइफ आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. तो आप पैसे कमाने की जुस्तजू में अगर जीना ही भूल गए या गलत तरीके से जीना शुरू कर दिया, तो फिर ऐसी जिंदगी का तो, ऐसे पैसे का तो कोई फायदा नहीं. सो मेक योर लाइफ काउंट, इट्स द ओनली वन वी हैव, एंड देन अल्लाह को जवाब भी दे रहा है. तो वो सारी बातें भी मुबर्रा, बट एंजॉय व्हाट यू डूइंग. थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी, इमरान भाई. थैंक यू, कामरान.